y'all, this video is going to be about this 3D printed glasses template. I got this from Kate's Crafts US on Etsy, and she's also on Instagram. It's a really fast and easy way to make your glasses for your Bernie dolls. So if you're struggling to shape the wire with your fingers, this is going to be great for you. It comes out really even and fast. So let me show you. This is my wire from Michaels. I think the brand is Loops. I'm not sure, but it's 16 gauge aluminum, and it's in the jewelry department. So I put it in the slit, and then I just start wrapping around these little humps. Oh, my wire got stuck. I know I like to work with all that wire on the end. I don't know why. I think it gives me leverage or something. But just start wrapping. And then here's the nose bridge. And wrap on the other side. Now you can wrap this however you want. I like to do it my way, where I flip it around and work along the other side so that it's all even in the front. But I've seen people do it a couple of different ways. So you just do what works for you. And I'm going to flip this way and snap it back in. Come on, wire, cooperate. There we go. Because I like to work this way. Because when I turn the glasses around, then this is the back side of the glasses that I'm working. Let me nip that, and then I'm going to turn them around again. They have these little ridges to help keep your wire in place, but it's not difficult to take off at all. So I'll put those back in, snap that back on, straighten things out, use the other slit. Look at that. I'm barely at 2 minutes and 20 seconds. I already have a pair of glasses. So let me take these off. Straighten these out a little bit. Wow, they look good. They look good. The only thing I would do is like the bend right here in the arms. You would want to make sure that it fits on the ears of your doll. It could be a little different. I'm not sure. It just depends on where your ears are. Where your ears are. So let me get a doll real quick, and I'm going to show you. I don't have a finished doll. I just have like my test dummy. I call him my test dummy. He tries out different things for me. So right now he's bald, but look at those. Fast, easy, and even. So if you're having trouble shaping your wire into glasses, I would recommend this. Super fast, it's even, and yeah. So Kate's Crafts US on Etsy. She's a great gal. I think she's my friend now. So, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you.